So imagine this, in the future, the Strait of Hormuz is blocked, and we just have a line of float vessels just picking up the oil and just trucking it across, just going straight across UAE, just trucking all the oil. You don't need a road, you don't need ports, we don't need the shipping lanes opened up between Iran and Oman. It's, yeah, so let's float it. Let's float the oil.
We made a few models, the iteration 1, iteration 2, and it's being printed right now, the iteration 3. Good work done, it was fun. Soon, if this model which we're printing out, if it works out great, I'll try to make a bigger scalar version of that.
Forming a company out of thin air can be difficult. There's a lot. There's a lot. He's been designing kind of our proof of concept craft right now.
Structural model. Break it. It won't break. It won't break. It won't break at all.
Yeah, so my wife Christine was out for a walk the other day, and she found 2 kittens by the side of the road. So while we can't seem to find good engineering candidates at this point, and by the way, if you are a good engineering candidate, please go to floatair.com and apply. But we do have pets now. So we'll have 2 mascots. Their names are Romulus and Remus.
So this week I got to kind of like draw up the floor plans to the building, because what they gave us really was just like stick figure drawings.
As you can see, I'm obviously not in the office. I am in my home office based on the East Coast. So I kind of split time between the East Coast and being in the headquarters for Float.
We now have a complete conference room.
All right, you're leading the first conference here.
Good afternoon once again. So today I'm going to show you the iterations which we have been working on. This is the first one, which Ryan made on SketchUp. And after that, we completely got rid of the bottom things, and then we made the shell for the outer envelope. Okay, not bad. We got the perfect model, semi-perfect, I would say. Everything is okay. We just want to make the motor shrouds big, and like I said, it's done in the CAD, just waiting to be printed. Here, let's go with the top arc. We're gonna glue this, of course. We'll have the bottom parts, the bottom ribs. We'll have the bumper parts, the arc, and once we have this, we can get it manufactured.
All right, so going through Ohm's initial model here, essentially the craft is designed for a single cargo container. So in the 40-foot bay at the bottom here, the winch and pulley system for the cable supports would actually lift the cargo container. In this case, we were using a little boat into the cargo bay, and we would secure it then on the underside. What's really interesting and about the craft design and what we're planning to do with the rotors is when the craft does not have a payload, the rotors are actually running in reverse. So they're actually pushing the craft down as the hydrogen is lifting the craft up. So imagine it's like flying a drone upside down. Everything is contained running off hydrogen, which is incredibly efficient. Bo and I are working on several different business development angles. So we're looking at government grants, energy grants, looking at defense contracting, just trying to find who that initial customer is going to be.